Hello everyone. Just want to let you know if you want to last your onion or shallot last longer, do this way. Just cut it up. Just remove all the skin like this. Just be careful, of course, so that they last longer for maybe a month. They won't grow anything. If you put them aside under the sink or anything, they'll grow, right? So if you just remove the skin like this and put them on the jar like this, put them on the jar. I'll make another one for you. So just like this, okay? And I will show you how I get my onion or shallot to last longer. So sometimes these are too big, right? Sometimes you use just a little bit or half of this onion, and then you have leftover. Sometimes you have to look for something that you where you're gonna put the leftover or put it in a plastic wrap. But so that you can save something, you don't have to use plastic wrap. The leftover that you guys have, just put it back on the jar, and then when they were in the jar, just close it and then put them back in the refrigerator. All right, and like I said, when they're full like this, so that they're ready when you're ready to use them. So put them on the refrigerator like that. Just leave it there. Just get it when you want to. And then when you have the leftover, I repeat, just put them back here and then no worry. All right po, that's all we can do for today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.